Hi, James here from Kicks in Maryland, and I'm back to another review. In front of me, I have a pair of baseball turf shoes, not normally the shoe that I purchased, mainly because I don't play baseball, but there are some reasons for this. But before I get into the video, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I really would appreciate it. And then also follow me along on Kicks in Maryland on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, so the reason I purchased a baseball shoe, for those of you who have kind of watched all my videos, I do play field hockey. I did actually play with the USA's over 35 team this past summer at the World Cup, came 5th, so pretty happy about that. However, one thing about the sport is that in the US, it's not the biggest. Therefore, equipment is sometimes limited. Being that we play on turf, similar to baseball or softball, Adidas do have turf shoes that they make and design specifically for softball or for baseball to be played on turf. They also do obviously the cleated version to play on grass, but that's not what we play on. So in terms of surfaces, this is a shoe that should hopefully help. So that is really the reason I got it. Another reason is the color, as you'll see when I take them out. But I'm going to take them out of the box, sorry. We'll take a look at them and we'll see what you think. Okay, so this is the Adidas Adizero turf, somewhat in collaboration with Perfect Game, which is a baseball brand that also stocked these shoes for those of you who are looking. Dick's also has them, as well as the Adidas website. So again, like I said, the reason I got them was the grip on the bottom is very similar to that of a field hockey shoe. So I thought I'd give it a go. And as the price point is only $95, I didn't think it was a bad decision to try something else out. In terms of the design itself, very, very light. It does come with lightning strike, kind of soft step inside. So in terms of the sole of the shoe, should be fairly comfortable, which is always good. Obviously, very nice color with the kind of the Miami vibes of the blue and the pink. One thing with field hockey shoes and the sport itself, for those you don't know, is it's played with a pretty solid plastic ball that can hurt when getting hit on the foot. So a lot of times with field hockey shoes is that they reinforce the toe box and then sometimes the instep and the outstep of the shoe. With baseball, not that I play it, but I do watch it. I've noticed that a lot of times the batters kind of like clip the ball and it will kind of hit them bang on the instep of the shoe. So I do feel like they have reinforced the toe box a little bit, as well as on the inside in terms of the thicker leather seems to be giving more protection than trail running shoes, which also have a similar grip, which was used a lot a couple of years ago. A lot of people would use trail running shoes to play field hockey in because of that extra tread on the bottom. So I feel like this could be the best of both worlds. It does sit a little higher than a lot of kind of field hockey shoes do, which are a little bit more low profile. So that might be one negative about it, but until you kind of actually play in it, won't really know. But I will definitely kind of post some thoughts and something in the comments after I've worn them a few times on the field to kind of let you know if the grip is sufficient and if the feel kind of in terms of the slightly higher ankle and so forth, as well as the protection, really do help. But again, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot them in the comments. And again, if you could hit that subscribe button, I really would appreciate it. Follow me along Instagram, TikTok at Kicks in Maryland, and I'll be back again with another review soon.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be